We have interconnected machines and plants at the ERP system in compliance to Industry 4.0. Now it is time to interconnect people skills. BPM, Business Process Modeler, is a tool allowing rapid design of organizational flows, models and operational procedures that is essential to consolidate skills, certify processes and achieve maximum productivity. In the past, we used to rely on memory or improvisation. Nowadays, we plan each activity carefully. The skills which were seen as personal are being shared now. Before, the work was centralized, now it can be delegated. Methods and results were extratemporaneous. Now you can replicate methods and improve results. Each manager, even without IT skills, can set up the best operational workflow for each user, role or content, planning activities and allocating the required resources. BPM allows the mapping as well as processes their configuration, such as management, authorizations, timing, conditions for switching from one task to another. It's also able to acquire data from the most popular file formats: Excel, Word, PDF. BPM is the operational navigation tool for users, teams and managers. It indicates the tasks to be done with the required actions and deadlines. Its Gantt charts provide a graphic illustration of ongoing processes for a quick check. It presents the status of activities and the history of changes, including authors, actions and time. It provides statistical analysis and relevant data such as timing and efficiency measurement to obtain customized KPIs. It manages and stores internal and external documents, resulting in halving processing times as well as research and implementation costs. BPM, the best workflow solution to maximize productivity and certify business processes.